Have you ever wondered how secure your Linux system is? What if I told you that a seemingly harmless utility could be a gateway for hackers? Welcome to our deep dive into the XZ Backdoor in Linux. Recently, the Linux community was shaken by the discovery of a backdoor in the XZ Utils, data compression utility. This backdoor, hidden in the libLZMA library, affected versions 5.6.0 and 5.6.1. The backdoor was planted by a user named Jiatan, who gained a position of trust within the XZ project. This backdoor allowed an attacker with a specific ED448 private key to execute remote code on the affected Linux systems. But how can you protect your system? First, check if your system is affected by typing XZ, version in the terminal. If it says XZ Utils 5.6.91 or libLZMA 5.6.1, your system runs the affected version. To resolve this issue, you should update XZ Utils to a safe version. For example, if you're using Fedora 40, you can update to the latest version using the command sudo dnf upgrade xz. Additionally, you should implement strong security measures, such as performing comprehensive audits, implementing micro-authorizations, and regularly updating all software. Remember, no single measure can guarantee security. A layered approach that combines multiple measures will provide the best protection. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.